Give me your finest grade clutch cable. the cable basically a two strand me depend. And Amstel motorcycle oil. I buy one buckle of Amstel because I put 2 buckle of Amstel in it. When I put 1 in it, so we just buy one next one for the stopper. And how much for the buckle of Amstel? 1500? Yeah, alright, give me one. I say, a lucky thing me check the clutch cable, you know, man. Me I say, bro, and look how me alright. You know say height, you know? You didn't know say height you want chain. You can have 15 or 16. Yeah, I give him 15 though. Yeah. Like how that sound. Like how me I buy enough expensive things, just put on 10% discount. Oh, them sell bag, them delivery bag, you know. What? So if you want bag, oh shit, this one, oh, whoa, man, oh brother, like piece of board in it. On a staffer. This one huge, holy moly golly. This one is huge. Then I feel more comfortable. I wouldn't buy this. This tough, that will kill your back. 1600 for the bag?
Them no fear man that sometimes they go to the road and dead. Hey, them trying to play now.
Where's the now baby girl? What, me have 2 tape? Yo, no, we're just there. 2. Okay, oh, that is just 6, like this, Gaza 6. 6. No, I mean, hello. Me not do it with 6, you know, me not do it with alkaline and then sitting there, you know, darling. Yeah, all this now have engine in the back too. Should like on 250 engine. Yeah, that one I look big. Yeah. This look like one, this look like maybe 1 2 bills. Ali, you can give me for 2.5 anyway possible? Them here. She tell me 2.6, but unfortunately me short $100. Alright, so
Ministers preach about the tithes. You must faith, you must faith, you just must faith.
Remaining buckler after that with the 2 nights. That's the only reason why I'm put them there.
When everybody's about to go home.
Mechanic, you have no funnel down there?
Pray for the needy.
Shalom. Can't catch this tonight.
Shalom. Come on. So, usher. How can somebody give when he does not have? No. To make you prosper, that you are and give it to somebody that will bring blessings in your life. So, small.
Can't spill them expensive oil in the world.
If you are giving
supposed to serve me
in
1 2
order to
months.
get something, can you allow me to sleep here? I know some people have abandoned their beds.
So they can know I left it.
Sleep there, sir.
Yeah, nah.
Now I can do that.
Shit. guys, so basically what me I do is a quick video right now of changing my clutch cable. So while I was riding the other day, I feel my clutch go all the way back, you know, like not normal back, like it pull all the way back. So if you look now, you would see that the cable basically a two strand me depend, two strand of cable. So what I go do, I push this down all the way. Alright, a lucky thing I have tool, I can pull it up right here on the road. You see me? Alright, so I push that down all the way. Alright. So now what I go do with my 12 then now. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, if you hear some people are talking in the background, there's some foolishness going on and them at all. So, here I go. Loosen this up here now. Alright. So, the more you loosen towards the right, the more you tighten towards the right is yo man, I don't know if you explain it. I just want to do this quick cause you see me? Get this done quick and come off of there and go back on the road rather. Alright, boom. So the cable I go basically route through this. So I don't know, I just pull up all of that and I just alright. This is the first time I'm doing this, by the way. I've never changed a clutch cable on the road before. So push that down, take it out. Alright. Hee, I'm bad as Michael Jackson. Dun dun dun.
Hee, I'm bad as Michael Jackson. Hey.
Push this through. Alright. Oh, this go now. Bear with me guys, I'm just learning as I do this right now. Alright. Yeah, I think I have to take this out. I'm not even watching a video on YouTube now, I'm just look, this is the cable we have a ride pan, you know. You see me? I see the new one here. Let me pull it. I think I paid $1,000 for this cable at Bike Gallery. And they said that the cable is pretty universal, so anytime you go for buy a clutch cable, you just buy a clutch cable. You don't have to specify what bike. Oh, that bike that's so powerful, sound like on 3 bills. Alright. Okay, so it have its own adjuster on it. Okay, so this I go pull off completely then. Okay. So how that part there go on now? I think that part I pull off. Yo, I learn me there, so I learn while me I do this, you know. I learn.
Simple job. Yes. Dry it off, dry it off.
Dry it out?
Yeah. And shove it.
Down?
Yeah.
Over rather?
Dry it out.
Ah.
Yeah. And dry.
Push this under here, so.
Yeah.
Cool. And then take out this up, take out already. Make sure set it. Wait there, see me.
Watch out.
Shove him down there, so.
Yeah.
See me? Alright. Boom. Push this under here, so. Push on the cable there, cable.
Hold on, I'm catching it.
Alright.
Dry it now.
Alright.
Hold on. This one.
Let it go. Make sure sit, I know between the sitting there.
Go watch it, you know why I'm running it back, so?
Yeah.
Because you see it when it run, it bend up, so.
Okay.
So we just run it, so.
Okay.
Look fine.
As long as when you turn it in a catch or nothing. You see me?
Yeah.
Come on. Alright, boom. So this run come down here, so.
Back to there, so. Screw on them, screw off this.
Enough, it can screw down, yeah, enough it screw off.
Just screw it on one and I run it through that.
Push this down. part upon it.
Can't put over top, man.
We can go over top.
This big on your saying.
We all one there. No size, same size, no?
Same size?
Yeah. Same size, man.
Alright, try and push it through.
Remember, say not, this not go through. Are the angle a problem, you know?
Got you?
For some reason that cable is coming like it long to blow out.
Yeah, it half in this, daddy. It half in this. And then I have to use and balance the clutch. If I want it hot or what, you see me?
I just the cable look like it long.
Yes.
That me a pray. That cable is short.
That one they look long on this.
Yeah, and that one
original one, you know?
yeah, that one have a metal part on it.
Yeah. But you buy a bike, because first you change it.
First. That one them should go back at Jamco. I know Jamco I buy this now.
Oh wow. You should have got a Jamco.
Through me did all this, me just me cap it and done. If Jamco give me one exactly like this, it must work, you know. You see that this go through.
See me I tell you?
Sure.
You see?
Yeah.
I tell you, man.
So that means that this.
Try it, man. Picture on that.
What? We need more. Hold on, at this.
Yeah, screw down that.
Blood seed.
How we do?
Hold on, up there still. Look up there, so stay. And this are just all the way down. Come like a cable. What a bomber. Cable and short, you know, just nah.
Watch it.
I know that's a problem, you know. The cable itself nah reach. You see?
Yeah, but buy a cable there.
Nah reach.
So
Cause this look shorter.
exactly.
And this reach. And this look longer and this nah reach.
Come.
I push if you push up some more.
Right.
Hold on, me have to put this round here, so.
Yeah, put it back around there. I show this stiff, man.
Oh, cause so me going on, me I say okay. Come here,
That's
say.
why I come here and try show it.
Yeah.
You see there?
Oh. Two head better than one to blouse and stuff.
Alright, you hold it, hold this up.
Push. Blood seed.
Catch.
That go down some more.
Yeah, hold this out, you know.
Yeah, hard to push. Put your hand on this.
Watch it, that's what I want, watch it. That's what I want.
This one push down. Alright, ready again.
Watch it.
Yeah man, hit that. God. Look now, you know much sitting that seed.
Feel a club.
And I just up this one now. Bombot! Clutch never feel like this before, you know. Never in my life.
They say that go still.
You feel like an outer side there, you know.
Start your bike and test it, no?
A gear, but yeah, you know that you need to adjust. Alright, so that part I go come down, so now up.
Yes, no clutch in there.
Got gear it there now. So that part I have to go push down. Let me see.
So you like drop out down?
Yeah. Enough blood not work. This a cable I do then.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Nothing. Not that thing. Cause even if I can't feel it, even if I feel it out here, so I know I just adjust this. But nothing no forward yet. Most can feel something out of that, man. That gone too far.
Nothing?
Not a bomb, but let me can adjust this in the meanwhile.
Sitting alright with that.
Nah, squeeze none at all. I go and get some blood and skirt cussing.
No, but fuck sitting there by.
Yeah? That me did call her and tell her when I woman them what me have something to do. Call her and tell her say somebody bike me a borrow. And my brother never get that thing that for do me that gone with it long time and forward. Alright, my battery run low. So I'm going to charge this up when me get this fixed then. Come back. Alright, so just a reach back. We had to buy a new clutch cable. Oh wait there. So I have to buy a new clutch cable. My old one there. This old one. Because the one we did that install never did that work. So boom. Hear that? Empty. I'm gonna need the 12 spanner. That's the only tool you basically need. Cable, well, at least for my clutch cable, I know. Most clutch cables are the same, so. This is not even a how to video, brother. This ain't even a how to. This is just a show you. Show me. Alright. So, installation process. Hey, I love when them bite the starter, see the starter just sounds so good. R6. Boom. So we are going to route this down here, so basically if you install it back, it's the reverse of what you did before. Push it down here, so. Yeah? Alright, so I route it through this, boom bang. Alright. Usually because you saw the first one, you saw the last one come off. Usually you do this so, but you can do it either way, so just go so boops. And you come around here so now, and you run it, round here so, run mine under here so, boom. Alright, and turn it so now. So basically the part here, to make sure say this I run properly. I wait for the behind or in front. I think it should be in front. I'm not even sure. As long as you're so not snug up on this. As long as the clutch cable not catch nowhere up here so. Alright. So then we forward down here so now. And we are going to push it through here so. Like so. So this I going to go round here so. Loop it round, then push the part here through. Then the part here got some boops in this like that. You see the first one I buy? I couldn't put this in like this, you know.
I wasn't original.
Couldn't put in, the bridge you have to push this down so. Oh. You see when this push down, the clutch are engaged. When you push this down so, the clutch are engaged. So it come like you had pull in the clutch. You see me? So when it does so now, it loose. When it does so now, it come like the clutch out. So you go so now, you go so and loop it in like that. And then you tension down here so now. Alright, where this come out back? I'm bad as Michael Jackson. Dun dun dun. Alright. So normally what you do? Oops. You see the more it there towards that side here?
That's too hot.
Yes, this I got the way down by the time if you go adjust it. So you want to bring it all the way down so now. All the way down here so. And screw this down.
Then down to the boot. You know that part.
Right.
So you won't wheel with it.
Right. So when you start it that way now, you start it that way here. You start it with more side to the right. You see me? So now once you do this, then you go up here so and you adjust it. You see me? You can even just pull it and see how much tension it have, and you can get some more tension down here so first. So you go up. Oops, I wrong way me I go now. Up a tighten, down a loose. I know Charlie boy just licking her. Turn him out there. Something is wrong, man. Alright, so tension down here so now. So yeah, so now you just get some adjustment. You can tension down there some more too, you know. But up here so now you get the fine tune, you pull it out. Yeah man, I go want tension down there so some more. Cause I don't want it. I don't want this come out too far so quick. I could test it and see if nothing in it first.
Soft door.
That's how my clutch feel. you see the other cable me the have on?
Yeah.
Tough. I mean the one I buy today. Tough your fret.
Unless I want grease. Never grease, you know?
Yeah man. I work. Today, when me do this, I won't just nothing. That work. Wow, see how wait there. Today when me eh? Like right, this one here go. Eh?
Like my own.
Yeah.
My own there.
So me can work with it, but me not like when this the all too far, so me can adjust down here so some more.
You're not no tube up front.
You know. Tube? No man, not tube, not
tubeless.
Tube never coming out my ways, bro. Tubeless from the get-go. That is kind of look like it out too far, but if it out too far, I'm gonna just push this down. So down here, so alright now. Just tighten it up. Bam. We alright. Click, click, pow. Is there? That's a quick. Brother, I wish I could have do an auto. You know me, I'm going to take off the clutch cable. I'm going to take off the clutch cable, put it on the old one, and do an official video.
We reach a year and a half time.
Yeah. Come on, but an easy thing to do, bro. Easy thing. Honda.